alishukishwa. Hata nani alishukishwa.
Rere forori werekeire gukungwira muthe wa wiathi niguo Madaraka Day na uria utanyetwo gugakungwirwo kiharo-ini kia Masinde Muliro Stadium gukware ni kaunti-ini ya Bungoma. Riu murugamiriri munene niwe Dagitari Raymond Omolo ni augite mehaririria maya no mathiite na mbere wega.
At Matulo airstrip, which is at 96% complete. What is pending is just the perimeter fence, and that is currently going on. We have had the first test landing happening by the Kenya Air Force this morning, and they are happy with the state of the runway and the airstrip. We've also been able to go to the residence where the luncheon will be hosted, and again that is 100% done, and it has actually been handed over to the government for purposes of hosting the guests who will attend the Madaraka Day celebrations.
Kiariria andiki ya mohoro kuma kiharo-ini kiu, Omolo ni augite ati thengia wa mbura nene iria ithiete na mbere na guthandana guothe bururi-ini, mitaratara ya ugitiri wa miyoro ni igathikitwo na uguo kuria Kenya matikagie na wagagu o wothe.
That we are ready, Bungoma is ready. Kwa sababu ya hii sherehe chenye tunasema ni kwamba tutaangalia hali ya anga venye itakuwa, na tuko na mipango kamilifu ili kama kutakuwa na mvua tutakuwa na umbrellas ya kutosha ili wananchi wasikuwe na tabu ama wasitaabike juu yake.
Oho, Omolo ni oretie Kenya makeyumiria kwa wingi niguo gukungwira muthi uyu kuona ni umwe wa thikũ cia bata hari history ya bururi uyu,
na pia wasikose kufika kwa hii sherehe yenye tumechukua muda mrefu kujiandaa.
Handũ-inĩ ha Muthingi TV, rĩtwa rĩakwa nĩ Wanjikũ wa Kĩhumba.